In an urgent session convened on Thursday, August 15th, 2024, the Gambella Regional Council made a decisive and historic move by replacing the existing president and vice president, signaling a turning point for the region's governance. The state's Government Communications Office announced that Mrs. Alemitu Omad has been appointed as the new head of state, with Dr. Gatluak Ruanjal stepping into the role of deputy head of state. Both leaders are well-respected figures with deep ties to the community, known for their dedication to the welfare of the people. This significant leadership change comes in response to growing public pressure and the widespread demand for new governance. The people of Gambella have faced numerous challenges in recent years, including issues related to security, development, and social cohesion. The appointment of Mrs. Alemitu Omad and Dr. Gatluak Ruanjal is seen as a beacon of hope, representing a fresh perspective and a renewed commitment to addressing these critical issues. Under this new leadership, there is a strong emphasis on fostering unity among the region's diverse communities, promoting economic development, and ensuring lasting peace. Mrs. Alemitu Omad and Dr. Gatluak Ruanjal have pledged to work closely with local leaders, stakeholders, and the broader population to create a more inclusive and prosperous future for all citizens of Gambella. The people of Gambella are hopeful that this leadership will bring the much-needed change and address the long-standing issues that have hindered the region's progress. As the new leaders take on their roles, there is a collective sense of optimism and anticipation that this marks the beginning of a new chapter for Gambella, one characterized by growth, stability, and harmony. The path ahead may be challenging, but with strong and visionary leadership, there is confidence that Gambella can achieve a brighter and more prosperous future.